Hello, this is Sam from Space Case, and today I'm going to go through the process of measuring your nail beds, so that when you place a custom order, you can give us accurate measurements so that we can create that set for you. We do have a sizing kit that is available in our Etsy shop if you prefer to do it that way. But if you're comfortable with this process, I'll get started and we'll walk you through it real quick. So what you're going to need is obviously a piece of paper so you can jot down all your measurements. You'll need some cellophane tape, some scotch tape, a pen, and a ruler. I do suggest testing a few pens out to see which writes best on the cellophane tape, on your tape. I'm using a Sharpie, an ultra fine points permanent marker. It's really a felt pen. I find that works best on tape like this. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna walk you through my left hand. I do suggest washing your hands, or at the very least, making sure there's no oil. And you can use some rubbing alcohol and a tissue to clean that off, because it will help the tape stick better on the surface of your nail bed. So I'm going to take a piece of tape, going to put that on the nail bed, and you're going to get that in to the crevice. Okay, and what you're looking for, you're looking to make a mark at the widest point of your nail, which is down the center usually, right here. And you're going to mark where the nail meets your skin. So right here in this crevice. So you have your nail wall, the side wall of your nail, and that comes flush to your skin. Right here, that's where you're going to put a little mark. You can use the side of the pen, the side of the tip here. Try not to make the lines too thick. Sorry, I bumped the camera there. Okay. So you're going to take that off, and you're going to measure. What I like to do, I feel this is more accurate, you measure from the outside of the mark to the outside of the next mark. And again, make sure that your marks are not too thick, maybe like 1 millimeter thick. It's really all you need. Okay, so for my thumb, 15, 16 is 17. And we're measuring in millimeters. Okay. Okay, do my index finger now. Okay, same thing. Might take a little practice, but it is a good way to do this. Okay, so for me it's 13. So here I have the mark in between two notches. So if you find that, just round up to the next number. So here it's like 12.5. So just I rounded up to 13. Okay. Middle finger. So as you can see, it's not time consuming, it's just detail oriented. So if you're comfortable with these types of tasks, it's a very, very efficient way of getting your measurements. But if you aren't, by all means, take a look at our sizing kit. We can send that to you. Okay. One, two, four again. For me, this will be 14. I have small hands, I think I'm considered like a medium. Our measurements go up to 19 millimeters, and we are actually, yeah, 19, 20, depending on the shape. We're hoping that the manufacturer that makes the press-on nails that we use comes out with a larger size, because there's a demand for it. And we like to use them because they do have an extra large size that is available. And we do cater to both genders, so it does come in handy. So here we have 1, 2, 3, another 13. So my index and my ring finger are the same size. Some people will find that all of their fingers in the middle, their ring, their index, and their middle finger are all the same size. It depends on you. And of course, you need to give us measurements for both the left and the right, because very often they're different. If you are accustomed to wearing press-ons and you have nails that fit standard sizes, we do have that option available when you are purchasing your set. But of course we have the custom option available, because we all know that not everybody fits in standard sizes. All right, so that's my pinky. Now if you want to do this a few times just to make sure you're getting the same numbers each time, that's also a good idea. So for me this is an 11. Now, okay, so I'm just going to stop there, but the process is repeated for the right hand. All that information, you can just send that through when you're doing, when you're purchasing a custom order, and you leave it in the notes, or email us through Etsy and just make sure we have that information. We follow up with every single purchase to ensure that everyone gets the right fit. Yeah. And if you have any other questions, obviously just call us, let us know. Not call us, email us, message us, and we're more than happy to help any way we can. So yeah, take care next time. Bye.